Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on December 29, 2021, 2-star Sudoku. Column B and column D, we have 2. So it can't come in these cells. 2 will be here. Row 8 and row 9, we have 2. Can't come in the cell, in the cells. Also column F, we have 2. Can't come in the cell. 2 will be here. Column F, we have 1 and 9. It can't come in this cell. It will come in the both the cells 1 and 9. Since 9 is here, it can't come in this cell. 9 will be here, 1 will be here. In this grid, one number is remaining. Number 7 will be here. Eighth row and 9th row, we have 9, and column I also we have 9. So it can't come in these cells. 9 will be here. 8th row and 10th row, we have 5. It can't come in these cells. 5 will be here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. We have already 3, so it can't come in this cell 3. 3 will be here, number 1 will be here. Column B, we have 1, so it can't come in these cells. 8th row, we have 1, so it can't come in this cell, then 1 will be here. Column I, we have 8, so it can't come in this cell, then 8 will be here. 10th row, 1 number is remaining, number 4 will be here. We completed 10th row and 9th row. 9th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 8, 6. Seventh grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. We'll confirm later. Column E and column G, we have 3, so it can't come in the cells. Also we have 5th row, we have 3, so it can't come in the cell. 3 will be here. 7th row and 5th row, we have 3, so it can't come in the cells. Column C also we have 3, so it can't come in the cell, then 3 will be here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come both the cells, we will confirm later. Column G, we have 9, so it can't come in this cell. Also row 2 we have 9, so it can't come in this cell. 9 will be here. We have 5, so it can't come in this cell. 5 will be here. Third row and fourth row we have 8, so it can't come in these cells. Also B column also we have 8, so it can't come in this cell. 8 will be here. Column B and C we have 8, so it can't come in these cells. Fifth row also we have 8, so it can't come in this cell. 8 will be here. Fifth row and seventh row we have 8, so it can't come in these cells. Column I also we have 8, so it can't come in this cell. 8 will be here. Since 8 is here, it can't come in this cell. 8 will be here, then 6 will be here. Third row and fourth row we have 1, so it can't come in these cells. Also we have column J, we have 1, so it can't come in this cell, then 1 will be here. Third grid we have 2 and 9, so it can't come in these cells. 2, 9 will be here, only will come 2 and 9. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in the both the cells. Since 3 is here, so it can't come in this cell. 3 will be here, 4 will be below. Since 4 is here, so it can't come in this cell. 4 will be here, 6 will be here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. We have already 6, so it can't come in this cell. 6 will be here, then 3 will be here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Seventh row we have already 5, so it can't come in this cell. 5 will be here, 7 will be here. We completed column J also. In third grid, 1 number is remaining, number 7. 7 will be here. Seventh row, we have 1 and 5, so it can't come in this cell. 1 and 5 will come in the both the cells. Then in the grid, 1 number is remaining, number 1. Number 1 will be here. Sorry, 6 will be here. Column C and column E, we have 9, so it can't come in this cell. 9 will be here, then 2 will be here. In this grid, we have already 2, also we have 2, so it can't come in this cell. 2 will be here. In seventh row, 1 number is remaining, number 4. Number 4 will be here. Column G, 1 number is remaining, number 7 will be here. Sixth row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 1 already we have, so it can't come in this cell. 1 will be here, 6 will be here. Since 1 is here, so it can't come in this cell. 1 will be here, then 5 will be below. We completed column I also, and 6th row also we completed, and 7th row also we completed. 5th grid, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. We have 4, so it can't come in this cell. 4 will be here, then 6 will be here. Fourth row and 5th row, we have already 4, so it can't come in the cells. 4 will be here, then 7 will be here. Column D, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column C, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. Third row, we have 7, so it can't come in this cell. 7 will be here, then 5 will confirm. In this grid, we have already 7, so it can't come in this cell. 7 will be here, then 9 will be here. Fourth grid, one number is remaining, number 5, 5 will be here. Column B, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Fourth row, we have already 4, so it can't come in this cell. 4 will be here, then 9 will be here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.